Hello, my name is Caitlin Abrahamson and I am the GIS coordinator for Bros Engineering. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Edit widget in the web mapping application in order to edit data in this app. For this example, I'm using the Stanley Public Works map. We've zoomed into a street that we want to extend. All we have to do is go to the list of widgets at the top and select the Edit widget, which looks like this. Once we have it open, you'll see a list of layers that we are able to edit, and a few tools at the bottom that may be changed depending on how much access you have to this map. So we're going to extend this street. In order to do that, we click Streets in this widget layer, and we come to the map. In order to start directly on the end segment of that street, we hold down the Control button on our keyboard, hover over till we get a plus sign, and click. This allows us to go in any direction off the end of that segment. We can either extend it in one big segment, or we can extend it in small segments. To finish the sketch, we just double click. Once you double click and finish the sketch, an attribute table full of data that you can edit will pop up. Let's say we want to change the surface type to gravel. We can type that in and scroll down to the bottom and save this. This is the same for point and polygon features as well. After that, we have the option to delete or close the attribute table. We're just going to close it for now. From there, you can click off of the line and just see your extended street line. Let's say we want to select this line. We can go down to the selection tools and hit New Selection. This will allow us to draw a box over whatever feature we want to select. So now we've selected that, but we just realized that we want to select this and this feature. So we can add a selection and draw another box over this. That way we have two features selected. But we actually changed our minds. We don't want that extra segment, so we can use that selection tool and subtract from that selection. So now we just have our original segment that we just created selected. From there, we can click on or off. We can re-click it to open that attribute table again, or we can have it selected to change the shape, or whether it's one or two segments with these tools below. We can also open the attribute table from this button here. Let's say we don't really like this line and we just want to start new. We can scroll down to the bottom of this attribute table and click Delete. Or we can use this delete button in the bottom tools. But let's say that we shouldn't have actually done that. We didn't want to delete that line. We can just go over to our undo and redo buttons and click undo. That'll pop the line right back up as good as new. And that's how you add and delete and select features with the Edit widget in the web mapping application. Thanks!